To see the pediatrician, Dr. Blomberg. She gave us the green light to give Eric delicious rice cereal.
Let's take a look. Okay, Eric, let's see what happens.
Eric, let's put this bowl on the table. And here's your spoon. Here's Mama's spoon. Nice work, Eric. What do you think? You're not making any funny faces to put on the blog. Let's try another spoonful. Oh, nice work. Our ECFE teacher, Peggy Rick, said we shouldn't scrape your chin, Eric, but I guess if you scrape your own chin, that's okay. What do you think? Is it yummy? Interesting. Definitely like the spoon. What's Daddy doing?
I'm making a video.
Are you ready for more? Here. I'm going to chew on your own spoon. There you go. Open up. Good cop. Eric has a cold.